Hello everyone, you are listening to Radio Bharati News Podcast. Today, I, Sanskriti Mittal, will give you the news update. National News. Money laundering case. Special PMLA courts grant bail to Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut. A special PMLA court in Mumbai granted bail to Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut on Wednesday in a money laundering case pertaining to the Patra Chaul redevelopment project. Supreme Court adjourns to November 24 pleas against 2016 demonetization by government. The Supreme Court on Wednesday deferred to November 24 the hearing on a batch of pleas challenging the centre's 2016 decision to demonetize currency notes of denomination of rupees 500 and rupees 1000. Cases of blindness and visual impairment declined dramatically across India. There is some good news. Blindness and visual impairment in India reduced by 47.1% and 51.9% respectively in 2019 in overall population as compared to WHO's figures of 2010. India reports 811 new COVID cases in last 24 hours. Active cases dipped to 13,559. The total tally of COVID-19 cases to 4,46,62,952, while the active cases declined to 13,559. According to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Wednesday, the death toll climbed to 5,30,511 with 2 fatalities being reported from Maharashtra. The data updated at 8 am stated the active cases comprises 0.03% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate increased to 98.78%. According to the ministry website, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the senior-most Supreme Court judge, takes oath as 50th Chief Justice of India. Justice Chandrachud was also part of the benches which delivered path-breaking judgments on decriminalizing same-sex relations after it partially struck down Section 377 of the IPC, the validity of Aadhaar scheme and Sabrimala issue. International news. 3 jolts in 5 hours. What Nepal saw after waking up to middle of night 6.3 magnitude earthquake. A 6.3 magnitude earthquake woke up Nepal to massive destruction. At least 6 people died and several were injured in the earthquake. Giant rats being trained in Tanzania to take rescue operations. Rats in Tanzania are being trained by a Belgium-based NGO in Tanzania to carry out search and rescue operations. Aruna Miller, first Indian American to win Maryland Lieutenant Governor race. 58-year-old Aruna Miller has become the first Indian American to win the Maryland Lieutenant Governor race. Hollywood actor Sean Penn gives his Oscar to Ukrainian President Zelensky. American actor Sean Penn gave away one of his Oscars to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on Tuesday. UK couple jailed for 6 years for leaving children uncared for with 35 dogs in the house. A couple in United Kingdom's East Sussex was jailed for 6 years for leaving their children uncared for in a house with 35 dogs. Sports news. T20 World Cup. Rohit Sharma injury scare for India ahead of semi-final. Captain Rohit Sharma copped a nasty blow on the right forearm while facing throwdowns at the Adelaide Oval nets here on Tuesday, 2 days before India's all-important semi-final against England. India to host Women's World Boxing Championship next year. India will host the Women's World Boxing Championship in 2023 in New Delhi, 2 years after the country was stripped of the hosting rights of men's event for not paying the requisite fee to the global governing body. Holger Rune scripts 3 spectacular records with stunning win against Novak Djokovic to claim Paris Masters title. Djokovic was stopped by a fearless 19-year-old Holger Rune in an epic 3-setter as the Danish lifted his maiden Masters 1000 title. With the win, Rune scripted 3 spectacular records. Sharath recommended for Khel Ratna, Sabal among Arjuna nominees. Sharath, the 40-year-old flag bearer of Indian TT, excelled at this year's Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, bagging 3 gold medals in men's singles, mixed doubles, men's team, and a silver in men's doubles. He also has 2 Asian bronze medals, both won in 2018. Shakira, Nora Fatehi, and Dua Lipa to rock at opening ceremony on November 20. All details here. The Waka Waka singer Shakira and ex-wife of Gerard Piqué, meanwhile, will be accompanied by a host of top stars like Dua Lipa, Nora Fatehi, and popular Korean K-pop group BTS will be performing at FIFA World Cup 2022 opening ceremony in Qatar. Weather forecast. Today's temperature in Delhi is 27 degrees Celsius. Day's maximum temperature would hover at 29 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature is predicted to be 21 degrees Celsius. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow with the latest update. Till then, stay tuned to Radio Bharat.